Kaushal Verma, please unmute yourself. You can ask your question.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning.
I would like to know that whether I can become a good predictive astrologer.
All right. I'm very happy to give you this prediction, sir. Let's see. Kaushal Verma, astrologer. Give me a random number, please, between 1 and 249.
32.
3, 2. Two-digit number, 32. All right. Now, have you learnt astrology before, Kaushal?
Yes, sir.
Which astrology system you follow?
A Vedic, sir.
Okay. What is the primary house for astrology?
So it's basically higher studies. So ninth house.
Yes. Brilliant. Ninth Bhava. In Krishnamurti Paddhati system, we do not go by planet deposition and the Rasi Lord. We look at the sub-lord. Your ninth Bhava in this horary starts in Capricorn at 6/16/57. The sub-lord is Mercury, which itself is a good sign because Mercury is the Karanakarta of astrology predictions. Astrology. Mercury is in Mrigashira Nakshatra in Taurus, which is owned by Mars. Mars is deposited in the third bhava, owning the 12th bhava. Okay, Mars owns Aries, which owns the 12th bhava, and Scorpio, which owns the 7th bhava. 7 doesn't have much of a great significance as such. Ideally, we would want 4, 9, 11 and 12. 12 has come, so you will be a very good researcher in astrology. Okay, now let's look at your second bhava, which gives you the ability to speak truth and tell the correct intuitive analysis. Starts in Gemini at 10:17. Sublord is Jupiter in the star of Venus in the third house. Excellent clarity of mind will come, sir. You will have an excellent clarity of mind and you can certainly start predicting. But I would urge you to learn Krishnamurti Paddhati system and start giving better accurate prediction.
Yes, sir. I'm very much interested in advanced course of yours.
Sure.
And, I would like to join that the one which starts from 1st July, if you permit me.
100%. We learn the advanced astrology sign up.
Sir.
And on July 1st, we are going to be announcing a master's course where I give personal coaching, 4 hours of personal coaching every month. It's 1 hour every week as you wish, or 2 hours every 15 days, whatever you want. And 1 long year, I want to offer this. I normally earn around 7,000 rupees per hour of my consulting, but I don't want to charge so much because I'm interested in teaching. So I'm going to charge only 1,000 rupees per hour of my personal coaching to you. That's all I'm interested in earning. I'm not too interested in making huge monies out of this. The world needs millions of astrologers. This is pure science, and I want this science to develop, prosper. People like you should take it forward. And once you finish the master's course, I will give you permission to teach this to whoever you want.
Very great, sir.
Okay, I will make you a teacher. So you can become a master, start teaching this to others, so that we produce lot of teachers, masters who can teach astrology. All right.
So basically it will be 4 hours per month.
4 hours of personal coaching per month. Sure. Of course, there will be advanced astrology classes every Sunday. Sure. You are most welcome to join that once you join the advanced astrology course. Sure. Then we have this Saturday morning session where we give predictions, and we would most welcome to participate and observe. Sunday, normally we discuss these predictions. Why did I predict like this? Why could it be different and things like that?
So,
All right.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
All the very best. Looking forward to seeing you in the advanced astrology course and in the master's course. Good luck. Be blessed, Kaushal.
Thank you, sir.